Welcome to day 6 of Heart Opening and Energizing Flow. Today we will be doing an energetic class. It'll be short and sweet and full of so much movement to get your heart pumping and energized for the day. So we are going to get started in a standing position and come onto the top of your mat. Take the ankles underneath the hips, the light bend in your knees. Find the activity in the quads. Low belly and strong, heart expands to the sky, palms open next to the hips. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, sweep the hands behind you, tap the fingertips, gaze down. Inhale, lift up, maybe gaze up. Exhale, sweep and tap, chin to chest. 2 more, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, sink the hips, bend the knees, find your chair pose. Inhale, lift for mountain. Exhale, cactus the arms, open the heart, squeeze the shoulders and elbows behind you. Inhale to reach up. Exhale for chair, let's speed it up. Inhale right into your open mountain. Exhale, come down into chair. Inhale, lift. Exhale, sink. 2 more, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, stay low. Inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, find your fold. Inhale, halfway rise. Exhale, fold. Keep a small bend in the knees. Shift the weight forward into the balls of the feet, chin to chest. And then from here, do your best to lift the hips up. Find some resistance at the backs of the legs. Inhale, find your halfway lift, strength at your center. Exhale, hands down. Walk yourself out to a high plank position, shoulders over top your wrists, heels over the balls of your feet, low belly scoops you in. You'll press through all 10 fingers, emphasis on the pointer finger and thumb. As you start to separate the shoulder blades on the back body, find some protraction. And then keep your strength, let the heart fall through the shoulder blades. Shoulders will creep back behind you. Still keep the core in, we don't dip the core. Push through the hands, find some protraction. Let the heart come down, keep the core in strong. Find some, of the opposite motion. Push and lift, and let yourself sink. It's a tough one. 1 more. We push, and then we sink. This time we find something in the middle. Nice work. 1 more inhale. Exhale, hips high, downward facing dog. Take a breath in. Open mouth. Inhale, shift forward for plank. Exhale, knees down. Inhale, tip the hips up, gaze forward. Exhale, elbows graze the side body as you lower the chest, the chin down. Take an inhale. Take an exhale. Uncurl the toes, press through the hands. Lengthen out the legs as you slide yourself forward. Hips come down, chest is lifted in your low cobra. Energize through the legs as you press down into the mat with the toes. Like you want to spin the inner thighs up and push the pelvis into the ground. Elbows, shoulders wrap onto the back body. Take an inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. All 10 toes curl under. Reverse your plank, your push up, and find downward facing dog. Take a breath in. Open mouth. Nice work. Inhale, right leg high. Exhale, step or walk through. Back knee down. Inhale, palms, chest rise up immediately into your cactus. Exhale, round forward. Tuck the hips under. Inhale, open through the chest. Cactus the arms. Exhale, round forward. Arms sweep. Inhale, lift. Exhale, sweep, really curl the pelvis under. We change. Inhale, find the openness, find the cactus. As you exhale, pull the belly in. Find length through the crown and twist your body towards the right. So keep this cactus in the arms, but you have length in your body instead of a back bend. Let this twist come from your core. Inhale, arms up, move through center. Exhale, hands down to frame the foot. Back toes under, float the knee. Inhale, step back, high plank. Exhale, knees down. Inhale, tilt the hips up, lift the chest forward. Exhale, let the elbows graze the side body as you lower the chin and chest down. Inhale, untuck the toes as the pelvis comes down. Use your arms to help lift your chest forward. Exhale, hips go high, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg high. Exhale, step or walk through. Back knee down. Inhale, palms up, go right into the cactus of the upper body. Exhale, round and curl forward. Arms lengthen in front of you. Inhale, open. Exhale, curl. Get the pelvis under. One more, inhale. Exhale. Inhale, find your open. This time as you exhale, pull the belly in, eliminate your back bend, and use your core to help twist yourself towards the left. Nice work. Inhale, arms up, sweep the chest forward. Exhale, hands down. Back toes under, float the knees, step back for plank. Take a breath in. Exhale, lower the knees down. Inhale, hips tilt, chest forward. Exhale, bend the elbows. Lower the chin, chest down. Inhale, untuck the toes. Use your strength to pull yourself forward and open the heart. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a breath in. Open mouth. Inhale, right leg high. Exhale, step or walk through. Back heel down, 90 degrees. Inhale, open, find your warrior two on the horizon. We move quick in this next sequence. We'll go slow on the first one. Be sure to stick with me. Follow my instruction, as it will not be what you think it will be. Here we go. We're here for an inhale. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, three-pointed plank, right leg comes back. Exhale, chaturanga, elbows in, core in strong. Inhale, reverse your plank. Find that three-pointed position. Exhale, foot in between the hands. Back heel down. Inhale, open, warrior two, and pause. So we turned it up a lot right there. You have the option to lower the left knee down on that three-pointed plank to offer some support. Here we go, we're gonna move with breath. Take an inhale. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, three-pointed plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, lift. Exhale, step through. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, three-pointed. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, three-pointed. Exhale, step. Inhale, open, two more. Exhale, down. Inhale, three-pointed. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, three-pointed. Exhale, step through. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, three-pointed. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, three-pointed. Exhale, step through. Inhale, warrior two, and pause. Big breath in. Open mouth. One more, inhale. Open mouth. Energize through the heart space. We move to the other side. Take a breath in. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, step back, high plank. Exhale, knees down. Inhale, tilt the hips up, lift the chest. Exhale, triceps graze the side body as you lower the chin, chest down. Inhale, slide it forward. Find low cobra. Exhale, hips high, down dog. Take a breath in. Open mouth. Inhale, left leg high. Exhale, step or walk through. Back heel down 90 degrees. Inhale, open it up. Arms level on the horizon. Gaze over your left fingertips. My heart is energized. I still have to catch my breath, but you know what? I'm ready for the other side. So we take the first one slower with breath. And then the next few flows after that, we speed it up just a little bit. Here we go. Stay for an inhale. Exhale, hands down. Don't rush through it. Inhale, three-pointed plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Stay strong. Inhale, three-pointed plank. Exhale, step through. Inhale, open, warrior two. Pause. Now we speed it up. Stay for your inhale. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, three-pointed plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, three-pointed. Exhale, step through. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, three-pointed. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, three-pointed. Exhale, step through. Inhale, warrior two. Two more. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, three-pointed. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, lift. Exhale, step. Inhale, warrior two. Stick with it. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, three-pointed. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, three-pointed. Exhale, step through. Inhale, find your warrior two and hold. Take a breath in. Open mouth. Catch your breath, friends. That was incredible, yogi. Find your inhale. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, find plank. Exhale, knees to your mat. Inhale, hips, chest tilt up. Exhale, lower chin and chest. Inhale, slide through. Lift up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a breath in. Open mouth. Inhale, slide forward for plank. Exhale, knees down. This can be a little messy. Lower onto your belly. Nice work. Take the forehead to the tops of the palms as you stack right hand on top of left underneath the forehead. Let the toes splay in. Heels relax out. Let the breath begin to slow. And on your belly, notice the rhythm of your pulse. Do you feel the blood pumping in the abdomen up to your heart and around the body? Slowly begin to lift the upper body. Slide the palms underneath the shoulders. Extend the right hand away from you, palm face down. Press into the left hand to roll onto the inner right chest. Right ear comes down to rest, and the left toes can come behind you to open up. This can also be done with a cactus shape in the arm. I find this a little more intense. Gently roll onto your belly, and we switch sides. Slowly return back to your belly. Slide the elbows underneath the shoulders, the chest. Have the palms face out a little bit towards the top corner of your mat. Traction the forearms down, the tops of the thighs, the pelvis, the tops of the feet down into the ground, and then traction everything in towards the midline to feel your chest lift a little more. Take a breath in. Exhale, elbows out, relax, palm, left palm on top of right as your forehead rests. Toes in, heels out. Start to lift the upper body. Slide the palms underneath the shoulders. Lift yourself up towards a tabletop, and then crawl the knees forward to eventually find a seated position. Get there however you would like. From your seat, start to roll down onto your back. Meet in a supine position, a lying down position on the floor. Palms rest on your belly as you close the eyes. Notice your inhales and your exhales. The energy pulsating and flowing through you at a lighter pace. Let the muscles in your face relax. No activity in your fingers or your toes. Just the rise and fall of your body underneath your hands. Stay nice and still right here. Find a slow inhale. Fill up, expand, pause at the top. Take in a little more air. Open mouth, release. Push all the air out. One more inhale. Pause at the top. Take in more air. Open mouth, release. Push all the stagnant air out. Find natural rhythms of your breath. Bring some movement to your fingers, toes, ankles, and wrists. Arms and legs liven with that motion. Maybe rock your head from left to right. When you're ready, and however you want to get there, make your way into a comfortable seat. Eyes closed. Hands to heart. Your energy is so powerful, yogi. Let it radiate from the inside out. The light and the teacher in me will always walk with and learn from the light and the teacher in you.